Welcome to Pluralsight. I'm Ross Bagurtis. In this third module of Introduction to Firewalls, I want to introduce the DMZ, or the Demilitarized Zone. Our goals for this module are to talk about the need for a DMZ. We'll talk about DMZ operation, and then I'll demonstrate configuring the DMZ. I'm going to do this all in the context of my demonstration lab. We're actually going to move a server from our inside network to a DMZ and talk about the benefits of doing that. Let's look at the most famous DMZ in the world, and that's the one between North and South Korea. Here, the demilitarized zone is actually that. It is a demilitarized zone. It's a 2.5 mile strip of land between North and South Korea. And the idea behind it is that it creates physical space in between these two countries who have extremely different political views, so much so that it has caused war between these two countries for an extended period of time. That DMZ is intended to create physical space in between the two countries so that small activities that occur very near the border don't escalate quickly into a much bigger war. So there's 2.5 miles of space in between there to kind of keep a buffer zone in between the two countries. Entering into that area is dangerous. If you're a civilian from either country, entering into that area is dangerous because there are landmines and there are other folks that don't want you necessarily crossing that border, either one direction or the other. So it's a very dangerous place to enter. Entering it is highly risky. However, there are times when we want individuals to enter that area for a specific purpose. And North and South Korea agreed, and they created this joint security area in the DMZ. And the idea behind the joint security area, which is shown in this picture from the South Korean side of the border, is that we can have ambassadors from North Korea and South Korea both entering into the DMZ, meeting in this building, having some discussions, and then leaving the building without getting harmed. So the idea behind this is we created a very special area within the DMZ where, with special permissions, we can enter and exit that specific building given certain circumstances. We apply this same exact concept in data networking by putting a device in an isolated area of the network and then only allowing very specific traffic into it.